Learn Danish fast. Can you? Equals.
Kan du?
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun, fast path to Danish. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus drills. Today's magic key is can you, which in Danish is
Kan du?
picture a robot saying, error 404, ability not found, then rebooting and politely asking.
Kan du?
Laughs aside, this tiny phrase unlocks help everywhere. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for help clearly and confidently in Danish. Ready? Let's go. Core phrase.
Kan du?
Equals can you. Mnemonics. Can equals con. Easy win. Example. When I need help, I ask, can you? Question mark quote.
Kan du?
English to Danish. Anchor scene. In class, we practice, can you? To explain the rule.
Kan du? At forklare reglen.
Forms and false friends. Keep it simple and avoid mix-ups. Ability, willingness, and permission aren't the same. Ability, request.
Kan du?
Equals can you. Willingness.
Vil du?
Equals do you want to. Permission.
Må du?
Equals are you allowed to. Extra polite.
Kunne du?
Equals could you. Negation.
Kan du ikke?
Equals can't you. Soft nudge. Other handy forms.
Kan jeg?
Can I? Question mark closing parenthesis comma.
Kan vi?
Can we? Question mark closing parenthesis comma.
Jeg kan.
I can. Remember, don't confuse.
Kan du?
Ability, with.
Vil du?
Willingness, or.
Må du?
Permission. Mini dialogues. Listen, imagine the scene, and repeat the Danish parts out loud. At the metro in Copenhagen. You, excuse me.
Kan du? At vise mig vejen.
Local. Sure, this way. In class. Student.
Kan du? At forklare reglen.
Teacher. Of course. Step 1, Step 2, done. Before starting a task, she whispers.
Kan du? At tjekke listen.
You, on it. Smart home moment. Hey lights.
Kan du? At tænde.
Question mark quote. Lights. Click, ta-da. Quick drills. Your turn. Say the Danish out loud. I'll give you a pause, then the answer. Can you check the list? Answer.
Kan du? At tjekke listen.
Can you explain the rule? Answer.
Kan du? At forklare reglen.
Can you fix this? Answer.
Kan du? At ordne dette.
Can you show me? Answer.
Kan du? At vise mig.
Polite upgrade, could you repeat? Answer.
Kunne du? At gentage.
Culture tip. Sound friendly, get friendly help, Danish style. Use a calm, cool tone with.
Kan du?
Add a small smile and a tiny hand raise gesture. It's common and kind. If you soften it to.
Kunne du?
It's extra polite. Quiz time. Quick check. Answer after the pause. True or false?
Kan du?
Means, do you want to? Question mark quote. False. That's.
Vil du?
Which means, can you? A.
Må du?
B.
Vil du?
C.
Kan du?
Correct. C. Complete the dialogue. A. I can't find the file. B.
Kan du?
Speed round. Danish for, can I? Question mark quote.
Kan jeg?
Challenge. Level up with a tiny real-world mission. Ask a friend.
Kan du? At tjekke listen.
Tell a classmate.
Kan du? At forklare reglen.
Sticky note on your laptop.
Kan du?
As your daily reminder. Bonus fun. Do the gesture. Raise your hand slightly and tilt your head while saying
Kan du?
goodbye from Synapse Lingo. You nailed it. Tiny phrase, big power. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Kan du?
Everywhere. Bus, cafe, classroom. For more bite-sized lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.